Are you ready for HallowSTEAM? That is right. I am the creature that flies in the night. It is time for the second annual STEM Carnival, brought to you by Mommy and Me, the Listers.
Hi, this is Crystal Lister of Mommy and Me, the Listers. This is the second annual STEM Carnival themed HallowSTEAM on October 21st at the Foster YMCA at 1234 West 34th Street from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We look forward to having a STEM-tastic time.
Yes, you are in for a real surprise. There'll be dreadful drones and vicious VR. There'll be creepy chemical reactions and eerie explosions. There'll be raging robots and spooky slime. You can even do the monster mash to the sound of Rikky Rain.
What up, this Rikky Rain. If you missed last year, you definitely don't want to miss this year. Come out, bring the family, meet special guests, and have a good time. Now, it's free to attend, but donations are always accepted. Oh yeah, and don't forget to wear your favorite costume for a chance to win a big prize.
Yes. So be there or be square.